Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest mini update in the Christmas Conveyor event in Plants vs. Brainrots. So they just changed the kind of like billboards here. It says get powered by like these tasks you can do to get awesome rewards. I think this one's like later on. As you can see, I haven't seen that reward yet, but it's going to come up real soon. It says for next reward I need 34 more powers. So here I will need to probably do both of these. I'll need to open an egg 24 times and use a machine 24 times to unlock the next reward, which is this. I don't really need that. It's irrelevant for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. They just changed kind of like the display of it, and they made it to like power, and you can also tell like how many more powers you'll need for the next reward. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.